Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this handheld spot welder from AWithZ with 11-year adjustable for welding nickel seats, iron and stainless steel from Temu. Another product from Temu. Down below in the description are the codes for the discount. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. The manual, nice unboxing experience, two-meter nickel plated seat, the cable. You need to charge this spot welder, type A to type C, 30 cm length cable, and one piece of frosted paper to clean the spot welder pen. Type C port. You can charge it with a 5-volt power adapter from your power bank. It's charging. 3 LED indicators. Nice, is near fully charged. It takes from 0% to 100% fully charged 2.5 hours. We have the gear switching key here, the on-off button, the gear indicator, 6 LED indicators, manual mode indicator and automatic mode indicator. And of course can be used for electronic devices to repair or replace the battery, suitable for cylindrical batteries such as 18650, 26650, 36650, mobile phone batteries, electric drills or power tool batteries, any device with battery that been soldered with spot welder. It is lightweight and portable, one-hand operation. You can use it for nickel seat from 0.1 to 0.15 mm or 0.2 mm thickness, the maximum. To power on, press this button. We can hear the sound. With the gear selection button, let's go at the first gear, second gear, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It is the higher. We can see here the 11. And of course you can press and hold. It will go to manual or press and hold. Auto. First gear again. At the front are the spot welding pen, 2.8 mm preset welding distance between, and of course it has a multi-protection measures like overcharge protection, temperature protection, short circuit protection, abnormal battery temperature alarm and off spot welding function. And of course low power consumption, you can use it more than 200 times. The spot welder output voltage, it is 4.2 volt and output current 650 amp. So let's test it. I need batteries. Starting with auto, first gear. Two 18650 batteries. It is on auto. That is first gear. Not so strong welding. Second gear. Let's try again. Better. Third gear. Okay. I can see the sparkle. it is stronger, but not so strong. 4. Okay, touch and automatic it will start. Let's try 5. And again, it depends what you want to do, the thickness of the nickel. That is strong. 6. Yep. 7. Nice. I like it. 8. 9. Let's try to this battery together. 10 and 11. Wow, and it is so easy to do with one hand. Amazing. I like it. So convenient. Okay, switching to manual, press and hold this button for 2 seconds. Okay, and then again adjust the year, first year. So let's try to... Oh, it is so hard. I like that. Okay, nice. Now on manual mode you need to press this button and now it's working. Press once and it's working. And again you can adjust the year. I think for these batteries right now on 9 level it is okay. Okay, touch here, press the button. Touch. I mean, it's so easy. Amazing. And we have these results. Nice. Very convenient. You can have it anywhere with you. It is portable. Anytime, anywhere you can use it. I like it. I think on my next project I will do something with these batteries. Nice, very strong. Oh yeah. Just love it. Link down below at the description. Temu. Yep, correct, with discount codes. Thank you for watching. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.